All right, so Arielle passed her driver's license last week. Yay!
Yes, I did.
You're very excited. Very excited. Look at it. And now she gets to drive by herself in the probationary phase of the GDL. Very exciting. All right, so what was, you and I did a few lessons together. What was the most memorable piece of all of that?
Well, I drove really slow through half of it because I was scared, but...
You're talking about your driver's test now?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so that was just nerves, right?
Mm-hmm.
So...
Just like, we're about like 45-ish, 40, and then 47, but...
Okay, so that's like driving 23 or 25 miles per hour for those of you in the 30-mile-an-hour zone.
Yeah.
But here in Canada, in the metric system, so got dinged for going a little bit too slow, and I talk about that all the time, being overly cautious. But it wasn't enough.
Yeah.
Like, you still got the pass, right?
Yeah, I did.
So you did enough things that
They threw in a little open the door kind of situation. I didn't shoulder check because I thought she was talking about me, like, because I parallel parked, and I thought she wanted to see how far on the road I was.
Right.
Nope, she wanted to see if I would hit a bike or not.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So she actually opened the door during the driver's test?
Yeah, she asked me to, and I did. I didn't shoulder check.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And so she mentioned that in
That end, yeah, she was like, oh yeah, next time just make sure to shoulder check and do that.
Okay. Perfect. Okay, so the point is it doesn't have to be perfect. We're not going for perfect on a driver's test. Just go for a pass. So you've been driving for a few days by yourself. How was that kind of transition?
Really good.
Really good?
Yeah.
Yeah? You were totally looking forward to that? No?
Freedom!
Yay!
Yay! Yeah,
So,
it was really good.
Awesome.
Mhm.
Awesome. So you're excited. So any advice to anybody else who's going for the driver's test?
Always shoulder check.
Always shoulder check.
Yeah.
Yeah, we cannot emphasize that enough. Yeah. And signal, reverse and forward when you're changing directions of the vehicle. Right? Okay?
Yeah.
So that's it. Shoulder checking on your driver's test.
Yes.
And it's freedom.
Yes.
Awesome. Okay. Thanks, Arielle.
Thank you.
Good luck. All the best. Okay. And remember, pick the best answer, not necessarily the right answer. Have a great day. Bye now. Hang on there one sec. The thought of failing your driver's test is what keeps you up at night right now. Click the link over here. Check out the Smarter Driver course package that guarantees that you will pass your driver's test first time. Click the link and check that out. And have a great day. All the best. Bye now.